I got the Ford Fusion I need to do some work on. The seat in it is coming apart. Now all the other seats are great. What happened to this one was I took it in for a battery replacement in this because it's a plug-in hybrid, and they left it outside in the sun, and the sun came right through this window and it just destroyed this whole section right here. So I looked into getting it replaced, and I looked for a replacement car seat cover. The car seat cover was about $80. It came, it did not look anywhere close to being what this was. So I went on eBay and I got an exact one for $50. Cleaned it up, looks good. Gonna have to put it in though, and so took the headrest off. I gotta get these through. It does have airbags in it, so, and electronics in the seat, so we are going to need to unplug this and probably unbolt it and bring it out. I'm getting the headrest mounts out from around, so all I'm doing is just bringing my screwdriver around that, just prying it over the top. Here's the replacement back. I moved the seat all the way forward right now and raised it up before I unplug anything. And what I want to do, does need a little clean, but there's my Torx or E star bit right there that I'm going to remove both sides. It looks like my Torx 50 fits in there pretty good. Yeah, that'll work. So I'm going to remove these and then push the seat back to remove the front ones. Move the seat back a little bit so we can get to these covers right here. Again, a star or a E star bit right there for both of those. Alright, you just depress this black bit and then this lever right here just comes back. There it is, disconnected from the seat. I got a little trim deal that I have to remove right there before I can pull the seat out. Well, great time to clean. What's this? Oh, from a GoPro. So the seat back clips on right here, but it goes around this connector, so I have to remove this connector first. So not only do you pull this back, you also have to push. Same thing, this connector is also in the way. Look at my fat fingers in here. There we go. There's that one. And these are pushed in on both of those because this was all the way around like that. So these are Velcro. There's one. Oh, there it is. A little bit of Velcro is doing its job, that's for sure. Okay, start to peel up. Start to take a peek, because there's air cooling in this seat. You can kind of see right there. Don't want to damage anything. This thing comes right off. So this and this and this come through from the front. So we need to remove those. Oh, that became much easier. Now this clips right onto the frame right here. Started to peel it up, and then until I get to this part right here, I have a piece of plastic and there's some fabric with two holes in, right there and there, and then there's two hog rings that are in here, and then I'm going to have the same thing further up here as well when we peel it up that way. Right here is a piece of fabric that comes through and is right here with these two clips. So just gotta remove these and pull that through as well. There we go. And then we just push that through. Just like that. One hog ring. Oh, there we go. All right, we go to the next two right there. Two clips. Right here. And right there, around the yellow. Actually, there's 4 of those clips. There is another piece of plastic in here, which has a groove, and it just clips onto the piece of metal. So this, some metal just slides right in there, and it just grabs it. And that, and look at that. We're all the way off except for did learn a few things along the way, like I'm going to take my little clips out. There they are. Here's the back, this is the front, this is the top. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to push the top in. Right now, I'm just going to invert it. So now I can get to my top guy right here. Just put it in section.
Oh, you don't have a hog ring plier?
No.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got that at home.
The first time I'm dealing with it, so
Yeah.
flip it over the top. Make sure I don't rip it. It's pulling. And that. This can go through. So right now I'm going to do that clip. The one that just slides into the piece of metal. It's right here. And then I got the 4 clips. 2 on that side. And then bring my attention over to this thing. Shimmy the push this through. Then push those through. Awesome. Took this in on the side. Let's see what we need down here. Well, we know that we have to kind of go up and through like that, and then that clips on. This clip right here goes over this top thing right here. Now we got these that come through. This one's almost there. You go in this hole right here. There's one. Like that. Like that. Back on. In, clip, lock. Back on. And clipped. Done. I think that worked out really well. I've had this cover for a while. Just sat at home Still clean it up a little bit, but yeah. Okay, doing a little clean. Just sprayed it down, used a brush to get into all the creases. I'm using Chemical Guys sprayable leather cleaner and conditioner. This is awesome. Smells like leather as well. I love their smells. Anyway, gonna let that sit while I vacuum out the car. The floor was this bad, but oh yeah. I think I'm gonna take these seats out too and clean them. Yeah, there's just 2 clips on either side and then these hook around these, but I'm gonna vacuum that out right now. Alright, time to wash this thing. Get the outside looking as good as the inside. I'm going to use some Mother's wash and wax and do some Chemical Guys Blazing Banana Spray Wax. All done, cleaned on the outside. Let's take a look. Here is a before. Oh yeah. Good. Looks good, feels good. Clean the back seats. It's good in there. And I just gotta wipe this one down, so I left that cleaner on that. I just gotta clean it up a little bit. Wanted it to soak in. I really didn't want to do that job. I didn't really have a clue. I've never done upholstery before, but it turned out good. Thanks guys.